Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukonrad ke Sangma Hakashipotrik Nailur ulalit Jurip ya Lady Kerr Welfare Cetre Laban ha kajingadan lang UMLA ka South Shillong uba Sanbor Shulai ki dekat ke Indian Red Cross Society Meghalaya State Branch nalur ki dong tre jong Welfare Centre. Kumba kalong menta kani ka center kabaladan palat shispa snem kata na du snem khat kendai spa arpo bat kebadannya ka jaka trekam jong ka Indian Red Cross Society IRCS Meghalaya chapter bat ka Red Cross Maternity Home kladan ha ka jinglong jingman ka ba isin ai namar ka jingjat rathai na kalyang ka Indian Red Cross Society Meghalaya kala kentu ya ka jingtuklar ba ka jingerap lem jong ka sarkar jela na ka benta ban penbha bat kentiu ya kani ka center ka Red Cross Society Meghalaya chapter kala ay ka jing shakri hai kala jing smar khamtam na ka benta gi khna bat kilong kumi bat khamtam na ka benta gi nong shong shnong gi baduk ba jinjar na ma ka jing a jingarap jingarshan hai ki por badan kam kirki pen pa ka Indian Red Cross Society Meghalaya State Branch dak ba benrap ba ka society bat ka welfare center ki dan kam kirki ha ka baya de ba ka jing penroy ki jing tei Menteri Rangba hadian balas ngap ya kini jing sengau kia balapan pau dak Indian Red Cross Society bat hadian ke jing Jurip ya kani ke center ula ong bak Indian Red Cross Society Meghalaya kadai ke society ke bakongsan na ka benta ka koi ke kia jong ke imlang salang da ka benram ki society ki bakmi halor ka koi ke kia jong ke imlang salang bat ka sarkar kila banyatrilang da ka lang ya ki thong Banya sami kila jingarap bat ka jingat rilang ban kintiu ya ka koi ke kya jong ki pait ba. Ka sarkar kala ban pensuk ya ka jingat rilang da ka bathawi ki policy ki ba a jingershan pisa bat penya so e ki jing persang jong ka imlang salang halor ki jingtei na ka benta ka koi ke kya jong ki pait ba. Ula benrap ba ka jingat rilang hapdeng ka sarkar bat ka Lady Kerr Welfare Cetre bala penya da ka Indian Red Cross Society Meghalaya kala ban pen kala ya kan center syaka jingdan jing em bakong san jong ka koi ke kya ula kular ru yak society halor ka jingarap na ka sarkar ban pen thama ya kan jingtei da ka benram ba ka sarkar kan wad ikilat kilinti ban ya trilang na ka benta ban kintiu shu shu ya kilat jing shakri syaka imlang salang hakalyang ka koi ke kya
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't think you know, remember once more.
If you will send to Kiran Rijiju, I think it will be a good idea to click pictures.
This is where when it rains, the staff always put
You have to.
Always every year it's flooded because from the road to the water that we have, and we cannot, keep storm so it gets all the way.
temporarily you could have that, And
Just make an umbrella for the time being. And the base.
Every year you have flood over
He's
here
the one who
because
has to use it all the time.
from the main road, sir, from the main road, the water comes straight.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.